Hello everyone, so today we'll be solving this question 1 minus x upon x square plus x to the power 3. So this question is to be solved using the partial fraction method. So we change this question to partial fraction and then work our way through. So first of all, as you must be wondering, we are going to take x square common from this. So for now, let's just forget that we are integrating and let's just try to change this into partial fraction. So what I'm saying is, first of all, let's take x square common. So 1 plus x, this is what we get. So now let's change this thing into partial fraction. So if we are to change this, then it can be written as a over 1 plus x plus bx plus c over x square. I've talked about changing questions like these into partial fraction in my previous videos. I'll repeat it once again. If we have square over here, then we keep let's say bx plus c. There must be a x over here. It makes changing process simpler. And if there is whole square, then let's say if there is 1 plus x whole square in the denominator, then you divide b by 1 plus x in the first step and then c again by 1 plus x whole square. If you don't understand this, then you can check out my previous video. I've made it very clear over there. So let's continue with this question. Let's erase this mark. Yes, now if we are to equate this and this, then what we will get is this equation. So the equation would be 1 minus x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c x plus 1. We can write 1 plus x. So from this equation we'll get three other equations. That is, we'll have to equate the coefficients of x squared, then x to the power 0, that is 1. So that way what we find, the values of a, b and c, you can do it on your own, it's not very difficult. A, we get it as 2, b as minus 2, and c as, I think, 1. Yes, I think it's 1. So now let's just express in this form and then just solve our question. So a, let's first integrate this. So 2 over 1 plus x dx. This is a very simple question. I don't think you'll have any difficulty solving it. So the value of b is minus 2x, the value of c is plus 1 over x square dx. Wait a minute, this is square. Yep. So this part, it's very simple. I know it's not a problem. This again can be changed into two different integrals. This is whole divided by, so let's change this into different integrals. And I think let's change the color of the pen as well. So is equal to 2. 2 is the constant, so it moves outside. 1 over 1 plus x dx. And then, yeah, so from here, let's again separate these two into different integrals, if you understand what I'm saying. And then, so it's going to be minus 2. Okay, no problem. It's back to color red again. So x over x squared dx, again plus, so it is 1 over x squared. We are integrating this dx. So it is simple. 2l and 1 plus x. The first one is done. Second one, the power cancels this. It is 1 over x. That is again introduction of logarithm. So it is minus 2 l and x, I suppose. Yep. And then the integration of this, we just use the power rule. So we take this denominator to the numerator. So what I'm saying is we are going to express it as this, and then when we are to integrate this, then what we will have is minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1. So that's exactly what we will be doing over here. So yep, so what is it? So plus x to the power minus 1 over minus 1 plus the integration constant, so is equal to let's say I take 2 common from these two, then we can work our way through the logarithm function, and that way what we will get is log a minus log b, then it is log a over b. So that is one thing, minus x to the power minus 1 plus c. So let's write the final answer over here, that is 2 ln 1 plus x over x minus 1 over x plus c. So there you go. This is the final answer for this question. I hope you learned how to do this. It's nothing very difficult. It's all about changing it into partial fraction and then just simply solving the given question. So I hope you learned how to do this and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.